Hi there and welcome to TechPlower. Here I have the 256GB 11-inch iPad Pro in space gray. So let's first look at the box. On the top here we have a beautiful image of the iPad Pro and it's almost bezel-less now. And on the side here we have iPad Pro. On this side the Apple logo, iPad Pro on this side as well, and the Apple logo on this side. On the bottom, as usual, we have some technical information, and here we see that this is the 256GB version, 11-inch Wi-Fi. So I know we have a pull tab here, but of course I want to use my trusty unboxing knife. So let's do that. Take it out carefully. Turn the iPad around and let's cut it open. Start with this side. Be careful to not cut the box. And on this side. Come on. And finally on this side. And it's already coming off. So put the knife to the side and hear the plastic sound. Turn it around. Get rid of the plastic. And now we have the naked box. And let's see what we have inside. Hopefully we will have an iPad. Let's see. It's coming out slowly. Ta-da! We have the iPad. Yeah, you mustn't forget to smell the box. Yeah, it's kind of the typical Apple smell, but very vague. So we pull this tab here to lift up the iPad. But before we look at this gorgeous tablet, we take it aside and look at the things we get with it. So here you have some information on the iPad. Let's see. And I guess we get some Apple stickers as well. Is that all? So we have some information leaflet on the iPad, probably in many languages, as you can see. You can open one up. Yeah, it's simply telling us how to use Face ID, the control center, and some other tips, just showing you how to use it. But of course we know how to use it, so we don't need that. And let's see, some safety instructions. And of course, we have the iPad stickers. No, the Apple stickers, I mean. But they're in white, not matched with the color of the iPad. But that's okay, we got the stickers. So put that to the side. And here we have the charging cable that now is USB-C on both ends. That's the first for an iPad. And we have the charging brick as well. This is the European version with USB-C in the plug. So nothing else in the box, very clean. So let's look at the iPad again. And we have this flap to take the plastic off. And it slides out. Be very careful. That was easy. So here we have the back of the iPad. We have a camera and a flash and a microphone. And the smart connector, for example, to connect a keyboard. And here we have a small antenna line for the Wi-Fi signal and Bluetooth. On this side we have the charging connector for the Apple Pencil. Then we have the volume up and volume down buttons. Nothing on this side. We have two speakers and microphones on this side. And at the bottom we have the USB-C connector and two more speakers. So 4 speakers on this iPad. and this is very light and thin. And on the front we have just a gorgeous display. Very small bezels. I'm not sure you can see it here, but at the top we have the Face ID sensors, the cameras, and the normal camera for FaceTime calls. So this is it. Very thin tablet. The thinnest iPad yet. So let's see what happens. Yeah, we have the power button at the top here. So let's see what happens if we turn it on. Do we have some juice? Let's see. Yep, we see the Apple logo on this gorgeous display. So we have the iPad, we have that charging cable, the charging brick, and all the booklets that are incorporated in the box. We don't get any headphones with the iPad, but that is not usually included. So that was it. The unboxing of the iPad Pro 2018 256GB version Wi-Fi in space gray. I really hope you liked this unboxing. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. See you in my next video.